Now let's look at how to add orders manually in the epicSnap mobile web app. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. This feature is useful when a transaction was not created in BigCommerce, such as in-store purchases, phone orders, or other offline sales. To add a manual order, go to the inbox. At the top right of the screen, tap the Add Order Manually button. A form will appear where you can enter the order details. Start by typing the customer's first name. Then enter the customer's email address, which is where the review request will be sent. Once the information is entered, you'll see two save options. Tap Save and Continue if you want to save the order and return to the inbox. Or tap Save and Add Another if you want to immediately enter another order. After saving, a confirmation message will appear letting you know the order was added successfully. The order will then appear in your inbox, where you can send a review request just like any other order. It's also helpful to know how manual orders behave depending on your setup. If your store is using manual setup, you'll send the review request yourself, with or without an image. If your store is using autopilot setup, manually added orders will automatically follow the review timing and trigger settings you configured in the admin app. As a quick tip, always double-check the customer's email address before saving the order to make sure the review request reaches the right person. Anytime you need help, just click the menu and then go to Help Center. Epic is right here when you need us. And if you'd like a demo or need extra assistance, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to support you.